Hi, my name is Tommy Rush, and this is a tutorial on 3D quarter time quarter stalls. And the first thing you're going to want to know, if you don't already, is what a quarter stall is and what quarter time is. Now, a quarter stall is stalling from one quarter point to another. Imagine a big circle around you and then an X through it. Each 4 pieces is a quarter. So there's a line going through my horizontal, through my arms, and then one vertically through, straight up. And you want to hit on that line. And that's what a quarter stall is. Now, quarter time is moving the POI a quarter of a beat behind it. And for example, this is same time, this is split time, and now this is quarter time. Hitting the same exact points as I was before, just a quarter of a beat off. You're going to want to become real familiar with this and real familiar with this pattern right here, because this pattern is the basis to all of the moves. So next thing you're going to do is just practice this back and forth in split time, in same time, in quarter time. And then you're going to want to throw in the vertical. It's the same exact move, but in front of you on this vertical point. You're going to want to just keep practicing it and transferring from one move to another. All these moves transition into each other because they're all the same exact thing. So once you got that down, the next thing you're going to want to do is learn this little quarter stall, quarter time thing. And what you're going to do is you're going to do your left hand. My left hand is on this left X mark on the left point. My right one's on the bottom, and then you're going to switch. Just keep going back and forth for a second, get comfortable with that. And now, next thing you're going to do is your right arm will do the same exact thing, go to that point, but your left arm will go to the top X point. So it'll look like this. You just want to go back and forth, and you want to switch it. And go back and forth, just drill it. And the whole key to this is leaving one hand behind as another one moves. For example, this thing, one hand stays behind and one hand switches to another section. So, after you get comfortable with that, you're going to want to throw in the horizontal plane, like so. And to get familiar with that, what I did was I practiced this, same time motion. You can just go from the sides, what we practiced earlier, to the vertical, back up to the sides, and back down, back up to the vertical. Once you get to this middle point, you want to break out to those side points on the X and bring it back in. You're going to want to practice this for a while. This is probably the hardest part, I think. Once you do that, and just keep drilling it, you can do different variations and just do as many variations as you can think of. Like, one arm's going down, one arm's going to the side, and you can just put it together in any way you want. It doesn't matter, because they're all the same trick. It's all the same trick, and they all transition into it, no matter which way you go. Yep, that's it. Have fun.